This is a proposed list of documentation that should be taken care of. A vision document in any case should come, either it's a new product or a new release. Vision document is done basically to define what is the long-term vision or the short-term vision of the product. It sets the objective for this phase of development. A problem definition document should be done, and this is mostly done in cases where the product already exists, just to define that what are the problems that we need to take care of in this particular release. Wireframes, like I said, they define page-to-page event of the product, so a detailed wireframing is always recommended. Wireframes and functional and technical specifications are sometimes combined in a lot of user experience processes where the screens are combined with what the screen is supposed to perform. In a lot of companies it is done separately as well, where functional and technical specifications are, they explain what are the requirements in particular phase of a product development cycle. Design documentation should be done where first part is what is required from a design standpoint, and the second part is what has been designed, and hence a design documentation to capture the application of design. If a new requirement comes in, how will the design be scalable, how to use this design for a further release. And final release specifications. This is done from a perspective that this release captures only these specifications, and it must specify what from the larger pool has been left